Yeah. Hi, hello everyone. This is Shanmugaraj. Welcome to my channel. One of the aims of this channel is to build a global knowledge sharing platform in the domains of agile leadership and project management. You can join me and help me with that either by subscribing to this channel or sharing my videos to your friends. Right? So having said that, let us get into today's topic. We are currently discussing some of the advanced topics in SAFe 6.0. We are continuing our discussion around team topologies, organizing agile teams and nodes. So this is going to be my sixth video. Today's topic is designing odds and the teams. In my earlier videos, we discussed about the four fundamental team topologies that can be used for safe agile teams and agile release trains, right? We talked about streamlined teams, complicated subsystem teams, platform team, and enabling team. You can refer my previous video where I talked about in detail what are these different types of topologies meant to be. Let us get into today's topic. In SAFe, teams operate as part of an agile release train. While designing odds and the teams composing them, it can be helpful to visualize them considering team topologies. The picture you are seeing is a visualization of applying team topologies to agile teams on an art using the team topologies at scale. If you look at this picture, this is an art which is composed of all the four different types of team topologies that we discussed. It consists of three stream-aligned teams and one complicated subsystem team and one platform team and one enabling team, which is supported by the product owners, Scrum Master, and Agile teams. Visualizing the arts teams helps to compare and contrast the merits of competing designs and indicates how well any particular design is aligned with the flow of the value. So far, we have discussed how team topologies can help design the teams that make up arts. But many enterprises also need to organize arts that form part of larger solution trains. Fortunately, these topologies can be readily extended to help make the right trade offs in art design. If you look at this picture now, this particular art, which is part of solution train, comprises of a complicated subsystem and two streamlined arts and one platform art. So we can plan our arts using team topologies, as part of having a solution train. Scaling these topologies to organize arts requires additional considerations. Let us discuss those considerations. Streamlined art. A streamlined art, just like a streamlined team, will have the necessary personnel, skills, and authority to deliver value, whether it's a complete product, service, a subsystem, or whatever the portion of the solution they have been tasked with. The areas of responsibilities for these streamlined arts are generally the same as those for streamlined teams, and the same options for aligning them around a particular aspect as covered earlier apply here as well. Complicated subsystem art. Most large systems also include extensive subsystems. This meant complicated subsystem arts are expected when building large-scale systems to reduce the cognitive load on the streamlined arts. For example, an autonomous vehicle's guidance system could require an entire complicated subsystem art, platform art. Similarly, it's common for a solution train to have platform arts, providing services that the streamlined arts extend and build on. Continuing the autonomous vehicle example, and communication system that manages data transferred between the various subsystems would likely to be represented as a platform art with clearly defined interfaces. One additional benefit of the platform topology is that it supports a single platform art that provides services across multiple development value streams within the organization as shown in this picture here. The arts comprise teams that will take one of the four team types in all these examples. For instance, the complicated subsystem art developing the guidance system may contain one or more streamlined teams developing the features related to environment perception. Similarly, a complicated subsystem might focus explicitly on routing algorithms. In this manner, the application of topologies is fractal. Of course, there is an intermediate pattern where within a single art, there may be a collection of teams working on the same platform or a complicated subsystem. In this instance, the work must be carefully allocated to minimize handoffs and dependencies. The summary, this particular topic we discussed brings new patterns for organizing teams and arts for large-scale system and software development. Applying the four basic topologies can simplify this complex problem. Of course, this all relates to the need to continuously reflect on whether our current organization models serve us well. Thus, organizations must continually inspect and adopt and, as necessary, reorganize to follow the value driving the market. Organizational agility demands nothing less. With this, we come to the conclusion of this video. Hope you guys got a fair understanding how to place different team topologies within an art, and of course within a large solution train. How do you use different topologies being as an art by itself, right? You can assemble different topologies within the art. You can assemble different topologies of arts within the large solution frame. So it's up to your organization and yourself, the way you want to design, which make sure that you are delivering value to the customer, pretty fast, right, and in efficient manner, as well as reducing the dependencies and hands-offs, and have a smooth flow within an art or within a solution train, right? So I hope you guys like this kind of videos that helps you to become a better agile leader or agile transformation specialist, right? So with that, I'm signing off. See you in next video.